Hi, welcome to Sew Tangle Quilts in Whitestone, Virginia. I can't believe that it's the middle of July already. Boy, this year has just flown by. And as much as I hate to think about it, Christmas is coming up in just a few months. So I wanted to tell you about my Toys for Tots program that I'll be doing again this year as I did last year. I'd like to take a minute first, though, to thank everybody who participated last year. It was such a tremendous success, and we collected so many toys. I couldn't believe it was way beyond what I had expected. And I know that you ladies helped give so many children in this area a fantastic Christmas last year. And I'm hoping that we can do the same thing this year. The way the program will work, just like last year, you'll come in and you'll buy a kit. You go home and it'll be either a stocking or a gift bag this year, and fill it with toys. And when you bring it back, I'll give you a gift certificate. So let me show you. This year's stockings are these two. And I thought that they were a little bit more playful and a little more childish, I guess, than the ones last year. I think the kids will really like them. And then they have this fun pattern on the back. I still have a few kits from last year. So we have this one, and then we have the baby doll, Santa Claus. And last year, one of the comments that I got is that while the stockings were adorable and you had fun making them, they were kind of small and you couldn't get a lot of toys in there. And so most of the ladies brought in a couple of bags full of toys in addition to the stockings. So anyhow, I thought this year I would give you an option that will hold more toys. So we're going to go with a snap bag. This is what it looks like. And fun for the kids. You open it up and it snaps closed. I think the kids are going to really love this. I mean, I like it, you know, but I'm easily amused. Anyhow, I think they'll like it. So I have this one and this one, and I've got some more fabric coming in the next couple of weeks, so I'll probably have a couple more choices. The snap bags are so simple to make, even easier than the stockings were. They'll go together in probably a half an hour at tops. And the nice thing about it, this would make a fantastic project if you have young children or grandchildren who want to learn how to sew. This is the perfect project for them because it really, really is simple. And like last year, I do have a video tutorial for the stockings, and I will be making a tutorial for the snap bags so that it should be very easy for you to make these. Again, I can't say enough good about Toys for Tots. They are the most wonderful organization. These people care so much for the children. Everything you donate will stay in the Northern Neck and will go to children in our area. It really is a wonderful program. So I'm hoping that you guys will be as generous this year as you were last year and make this a true success. Thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.